Hello, how's it going? I'm in a 2009 C2, the Thomas Freightliner, conventional. Got no heat, driver's heat. So the motor that runs the actuator for heat control failed. It's just a plug and play. So if I see how adjust the heat, you should be able to see it's from hot to cold. And it just hooks up to an arm that will be patched up, temporary, for the door in the heater box. You got the new arm ready to go on. It's T1001038Q, and the actuator is a VCC 32000022, and it is a common problem, so it wouldn't hurt to have one on the shelf if you have the C2s in your fleet, or if you owner operator, because especially this time of year you don't want to be waiting for parts, no heat. And then it goes back together fairly easy, and we got a cam filter which is getting replaced. Thumb out of it. And we've had those plug up too, that restricts the airflow. Kind of maintenance thing, so put it back together.